Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Voila! Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. With you today is Ice Queen or just other beauty tutorials. In today's video I follow my second winter week and I made this blue makeup look using only blue colors and to make my face so icy, so ice cold and beautiful. And so, welcome back. Like I said, I hope you're gonna enjoy this video. I hope you like the blue color like me. I'm all blues today, everywhere, maybe. And so, if you are interested in how I made this beautiful, gorgeous blue look, then just continue watching this video. And if you are new here in my channel, then don't forget to subscribe my channel and press the like button. And see you soon in my next videos. So, in today's video, I'm gonna use some blue colors from all of my makeup palettes. I think this look is very amazing, very beautiful. I think maybe too much. Like I said in my previous video, I don't love when my face and my eyes is too much with colors, but okay, it's winter time and it's cold outside. Okay, not so cold, but okay. And that's why I was inspired by the blue skies today to make this blue video. My wall is blue, my dress is blue, my face is blue. Everywhere blue. Okay, if you are interested in how I made this look, like I said, continue watching and see you soon in my next videos. Like I said, this all December I'm gonna make some winter, some holiday looks, and like I promised, I'm gonna make some like this. Too much color and blah blah blah. Okay, with you was AJ Beauty Tutorials. I wish you all the best. And so, okay, welcome back. I already done my face with foundation. For foundation I was used Fit Me by Maybelline and the Fit Me powder. Now I can do my eyes. For the transferring color I'm gonna use this darkly blue and I'm gonna start to build this up. And use very fluffy brush and slowly build up this color. I take only a little bit of this color and now I take a Morphe M139 brush and blend it in my crease. Made only some little bit of blue. And then I take my Revolution makeup palette to give them darkness. I'm gonna take some blue colors from there. And then with Morphe M139 brush I'm gonna take a little bit of this blue and go around the crease. And blend it in. The same in the second eyes. Then I take white color. I'm gonna smooth it a little bit. Now we're gonna leave this here. I'm gonna start work with the lid and then we're gonna finish this crease. For lid I'm gonna use blue colors from Jaclyn Hill's Morphe palette and I'm gonna start with this light blue. Before I use this color I wet my brush because this blue color is shimmering. I use wet brush to make more effect with this color. I'm gonna go inside a corner and build up slowly. Then I take Morphe M213, the smaller detail brush. I'm gonna wet this brush again. I'm gonna go with more darker blue. I'm gonna making the blue line. I'm gonna blend this out. I never wanna call you a friend, 'cause you're more than that to Then I take the Morphe brush 3 to 1. I'm gonna blend out this line. After finishing to blend this out a bit, we're gonna go in the under eyes. The under eyes are gonna start the same like here with the lightly blue. I'm gonna go half of my eyes. And then with darker blue, the same. Then I take this detail brush, Morphe M515. I'm gonna go in the wet line with this darker blue. I'm gonna go up here too. And then again with the darker blue, I go inside my inside corner and go the shape to my eyes. Then I take Morphe E36 brush and go with silver color under my eyes, like blending the inside this blue. And go all around my eyes. And then highlight my eye corners. The same brush. Then I take a little bit of black to make more detail my eyeline. Only a little bit. And then I move to my eyebrows. I'm gonna do my eyebrow blue like you see in my intro. And I'm gonna start with the same light blue in the start of my eyebrow. And then I take darker blue and go further. This is my first time when I do colorful eyebrows. Normally I do them brown or just black. Very nice. Then I take the mascara. I don't gonna make today. I don't gonna use the fake lashes because I don't want to mess this makeup with them. That's why I'm just gonna use mascara. And now contouring. For contouring, I think I'm gonna use the blue color as well. Like Snow Princess, we're gonna do the blue. And now I'm gonna do my lips. After finishing my lips with eyeshadows, I take this Maybelline Baby Lips lip gloss and put it on. It's gonna bring the colors together and make more shine. Okay, wow. I look very amazing. Today's blue look, our winter queen, or I don't know how to call this, is finished. This salt space looks very coldy, very icy, and I love this look. I don't think that I can go outside of my house like this. The neighbor's gonna get scared out. Shit. Okay guys, I hope you really like this look. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe my channel and press the like button if you don't have problems with that. And see you soon in my next video. With you was Adri Beauty Tutorial, and I hope to see you soon, and have a nice evening, and bye!